Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to cancel automatic payments with Westpac in 2025. With everything going digital, managing your subscriptions and bills has never been more important, and Westpac's updated system makes it straightforward. Whether you're tired of that gym membership you never use or just want to free up some cash, stick around for this quick guide. First things first, you'll need to log into your Westpac account. Grab your phone, tablet, or computer, and head to the Westpac app or website. Make sure you're using the latest version for 2025 updates. It's all about that seamless experience. Once you're in, navigate to the Payments, or Direct Debits section. This is usually found in the main menu under Accounts, or Settings. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you shouldn't have any trouble spotting it. Now, here's where the action happens. Look for your list of active automatic payments. Westpac lets you view them all in one place, so scan through and select the one you want to cancel. Double-check the details to avoid any mistakes. Nobody wants to accidentally keep paying for something. Once selected, hit the Cancel or Manage button. You'll probably need to confirm with a security code or your password for extra protection. After that, Westpac might ask for a reason why you're canceling. It's optional, but it helps them improve their services. Once confirmed, you're good to go. Your payment should be canceled immediately or within a few business days, depending on the type. Remember, if it's linked to a third party like a streaming service, you might need to handle that side separately to fully stop the charge. One quick tip: always keep an eye on your account for a couple of weeks after canceling to ensure no surprises pop up. If you run into any issues, Westpac's 24/7 customer support is there to help via chat or phone. There you have it. That's how to cancel automatic payments with Westpac in 2025. It's all about taking control of your finances. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.